जियोपॉलिटिक्स समझना आसान होता तो बात ही क्या थी। इसलिए नमस्ते, हम आए हैं आज इंडिया हैबिटेट सेंटर में। यहाँ पे हो रहा है पैनल डिस्कशन अबाउट इंडिया यूएस रिलेशनशिप अंडर डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प 2.0। बहुत सारे एम्बेसडर आएंगे, एक्सपर्ट्स आएंगे, H1B वीज़ा, टैरिफ्स, इतने सारे टॉपिक्स हैं। पूरी बात सुनने के बाद हम भी अपना ओपिनियन बनाएंगे कि हमें ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहना चाहिए या कंसर्न।
Look, you must have been watching and listening to what President has been saying since he became president. We feel that in spite of all the strain and some kind of differences which we have presently, relationship in a broader terms is very stable. The student visa or H1 visa, they have their own policies on which we can't really object.
Is there any way that India can leverage its tech potential?
So they are aware of what we can offer, but fact is, are they interested in that? They have got 5 rounds discussion both sides. There are still serious differences. If our capabilities are of the international standard and they need them, they will certainly make use of them. But I'm not sure right now at this delicate time of bilateral discussions and trade, we can demand any favor from them.
I did a little bit of psychoanalytic study of Donald Trump. A mercurial personality. He's behaving like an emperor, not only with the rest of the world, but to his own people.
There was a case of Hindi Chini bye-bye. There was Hindi Chini bye-bye. How we've come to the pass of Hindi Chini bye-bye away. In my view, a mega foreign policy mistake.
Trump is mercurial, he's unpredictable. He's also a businessman at the end of it.
When Tom said the Indian Prime Minister has asked him to mediate on Kashmir. Now that simply couldn't be true. An Indian Foreign Minister had to make a statement to Parliament that there's no truth to what the President said.
1 घंटे सुनने के बाद हमें ऐसा ही लगा कि डरने की कोई बहुत ज़्यादा बात नहीं है, लेकिन सतर्क रहने की बहुत ज़रूरत है। यही बात एक्सपर्ट्स ने ही बोली। बाकी आप क्या सोचते हैं कमेंट्स बॉक्स में लिखें।